I asked psychology students for one reason why they love psychology, and here's what they said.
It's because it intimidates people that I can psychoanalyze them.
The reason why I love psychology is because the subject makes me understand myself a little better and be more self-aware.
Creates a safe space for everyone to talk about what they want to.
Reasons to love psychology. Sigmund Freud.
I can help people go through their teenage years and the things they go through more smoothly than I did. I can fix myself before fixing others.
It let me know about human nature.
Definitely of novel psychology, because in 12th grade when I read about it for the first time, this was my calling and this is a way of helping people for me.
Medicine, it teaches us that if we don't clear a wound, we won't see that how deep it is.
That I can actually make sense of people.
It helps me discover myself, and that is how the subject is aiding me.
Deals with humans and the very fact that we are around with humans every other time, so it is important to learn about humans.